to edit a photo in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit a photo or adjust a photo's brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. in your Canva application. So as currently you can see that I have opened my Canva application, and in this Canva application I have opened a presentation design. Now in the presentation design I will add a photo or a stock photo, and on that particular photo we will attempt to apply these changes or edit that. So in order to add a stock photo, I'm going to click onto this elements tab, and from here let me choose any stock photo. So for example, let's say this photo right here. So let me simply click onto this, and you can see that this photo has been successfully added into my canvas. So I can choose to resize it if I want using these corners. And so for example, this is the size that I want, and now we will attempt to edit this. So in order to edit your photo, simply click onto the photo and then click onto this edit button that appears at the top. So the moment you will do this, you can see this dialog box of image. Now since we want to make some adjustments in the brightness, contrast, and other factors, you need to click onto this adjust option or button right here. Once you will click onto the adjust button, you can see all of the necessary settings that are required to edit a photograph. So for example, the first one is the white balance. From here, you can change the image temperature, make it look warmer or cool according to your preference. Then you have a tint if you want to give your photograph a tint, then you can do that from here as well. And then there is an option of light. So if you want to control the brightness in your image, you can do that from here. You can choose to make your image look more contrasty or less contrasty from here as well. Then there is an option of highlights. Using this, you can control the highlights in your image. And then after the highlights you have this option of shadows, using which you can control the amount of shadow that your image is getting. And to control the whites, you can use this particular slide bar, using which you can control the whites of your image. And to control the blacks, this is the particular toolbar or the toggle using which you can control the blacks in your image. Then there is also an option to invert the color if you want. So if you want a negative color, you can click onto this invert color. And then there is also the option of vibrance and saturation. So if you want to change the vibrance, you can use this slider, just drag it towards the right to increase the vibrancy, or towards the left in order to decrease the vibrancy. Then there is the option of saturation for the colors. So simply repeat the same steps, and you can increase the saturation or decrease it as per your liking. And apart from that, there is also an option for texture like sharpness, so you can increase or decrease the sharpness as per your liking. And you can also improve or you can also decrease the clarity of this image as you want. And then at the last there is an option of vignette. So if you want to give it a vignette effect, you can simply drag it towards the right, so the corners will appear a little diminish in a black shade. Or if you want to make the corners bright, you can drag it to a negative value, and the corners will have this white glow which appears right here. So after you are done with that, you can see that the image has a significant change as compared to the original image. If I will place the original image, you can see that we have edited it to a whole new different level. So that's how easily you can edit images in your Canva application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.